Who are you and what do you do?
My name is Bergwall, and I'm a DJ and music producer from Sweden. That's what I do.
What was the challenge you were experiencing and what made you want to work with me?
I need fresh ideas and input to update my toolbox of
Mm,
knowledge.
that's cool.
The recent parts, or the latest stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, I used to work with social media managing 5, 6 years ago, and a
Mm.
lot has happened since then.
And it moves on so fast, doesn't it?
Yeah, and I needed that extra, and still need that extra because it just since I joined, SoundCloud has changed, Instagram changed twice, and still get all those updates.
Yes. It's yeah, because I keep updating it, and that's one thing I'm very focused on is trying to make sure it's the
Yeah.
best platform for you so that you are updated with the latest stuff. How did working with me positively impact you?
That my age doesn't matter.
Oh, that's a good one.
I thought so for quite some time because I had like 150 gigs a year,
Mm.
5, 6 years ago, and then
Mm.
they drastically fell, yeah, of course, of the pandemic. But it never gained any more. Got the takeoff after the pandemic ended. So I thought perhaps my career was at the end or something, and I refused that because I think I have so much more to give.
Exactly. Never, never. Like I always think like look at like we've only had a few people actually retire. Like we're only just seeing like Alfredo retiring and those sort of people. So there's still loads of time, you know?
When I look at my friends that are the same age, I am
Mm.
like 20 years younger than them in heart.
What did the program do for you?
Confidence gave me confidence that I'm on the right path.
Oh, that's good. How did that happen?
It's from the group calls, hearing
Mm.
what others are saying, them telling about their mistakes that I can relate to, that
Mm.
they work from, is a good thing because if they can rise them from something not bad, but from something, I can. That's confidence.
I love the group calls. They're literally my favorite time of the week. Get to hang out with everyone and
Yeah.
we just try and answer like whatever the questions are. Let's just go for it, and whatever you need, wherever the help is, just go for it. But I
Yeah.
also love that conversation. Sometimes the group calls they just take over and everyone's talking themselves, and I'm like, this is wicked now.
Yeah, you started something.
How did it help you?
The program is like a toolbox, and I learned how to use those tools. Tools that I didn't know I needed or didn't know how to handle. Now I do. The emailing thing, when to send out emails, how to send it, how to respond, because I'm always so eager.
For sending demos, yes.
Yeah, I'm very eager as a person, like a
Well,
puppet, and just learn how to wait. And if someone says that you have to wait, that someone like you with your knowledge says that I have to wait for them, not then I do, and then I listen and do that.
yeah, that like it's such a thing with like I see it so many times in the group as well. Like so many with all the course members, it's like send it, send it, send it, send it. But then just needs that bit of patience where it's just like sit and just let them. Like the amount of
Yeah.
people emails people get, like just they'll get to you, they'll get to it, and keep just but every now and again, a little nudge every just in the right direction. Just say, make sure you're not forgetting about me. You know.
Yeah, and if you are too eager, then they will think you're a pain in the ass.
Yes, they will. What tangible results have you had so far from the course?
I got a record deal that I'm very, very, very proud of that I got from everything that Graham Farmer Blueprint feedback session because that involves B and that involves working with all the feedbacks I got from that track.
Amazing.
The more disco really pushed me to send a demo to Quantize, and they loved it, and they gave it a 9. One of the critique person that gave it a 9, and the lowest score he got was 7. And if that could happen once, that could happen twice, 3 times, and 4 times.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. So he's getting a record. So that's DJ Spens label. So that's going to be coming out later. That's
In
amazing.
September.
Congratulations. That's wicked.
Yeah, and DJ Spen is not nobody.
100%. And also that for that, a strong release before ADE is
Yeah.
imperative. It's so good, man.
And they really liked it, that track. The guy that I can't remember his name, that is behind Basement Boys from New York or
Mm.
something like that. I've heard of Basement Boys, and I didn't know how important they were for the scene, but
Mm.
he was really important. He gave it a 9, and he tours around the world DJing, and he's like 60 plus something.
Amazing. That's really cool. I love that. Were there any results you weren't expecting?
Friendship. I do think that some of the group calls made me. Yeah, I met Sandy first of all in AD, and I just love that guy. And I met you, and I met Lars, and I speak with Viv sometimes, and Aaron sometimes, and if we ever meet, I believe there will be friendship. So and the others as well, friendship.
Amazing. It's a great community now that now we're
Yeah.
like 3 years in. The community is just so good. Like I said, like I go back to the group calls. The group calls and the community in the group calls are so much fun, and so there's such a good laugh every week. Like you're right, it's really like I all of the people. It's there's so much friendship between everyone and the community spirit
Mm.
between everyone, and everyone helping each other is so nice as
Yeah.
well. Like behind the scenes, behind because of what's been built. You know,
Yeah, the friendship and respect, really.
massively. What would you tell someone who's considering investing and working with me?
What you waiting for? I regret I didn't join sooner. I
Mm,
didn't have the means, but I'm happy I did. I actually did. So
mm.
everyone else I've been talking about, I said, do it. What you waiting for?
Amazing. I love it. I can't wait to see what the results we get this year. Like we've got some great records. We've been listening to some great records in our demo streams, and I can't wait to get them to help get them signed and let's get them more results for you. So I'm so excited, man.
Yeah, I'm excited as well, and excited for others too, because from the feedback session, there's La More Disco and all the others, but there's also Sean Jackson that I think he really produces some good music.
Mm.
I'm
He's a
going to release one of his tracks on my record label, the track called "Make You Sweat" that you had
mm.
2 months ago, and he's such a nice guy,
Oh, I
really.
love that because obviously Sean's a course member too, and I love this when course members are signing music off each other, and those doors are being opened that from in the blueprint that each members are helping each other and signing each other's music, and then that's just helping get more tracks signed and more music out there that everyone's loving, which is great, man. That's super cool. Oh, when's that coming out?
It was supposed to come out in last of May, but
Mhm.
my distributor Sonoma went from being a free service that got a percentage to being a paid service for
Right.
49 euros a month, and that's I don't have that money.
Whoa, that's a
That's a
lot.
lot of money. And if you
Yeah.
look to other distros, that was if they are taking a subscription, 49 euros is what they would charge a year. That's what they
Mm.
charge a month. So I found a new distro in Stockholm, Sweden, called Labelcaster. They take 10%, and I have the advantages of splitting the royalties directly with the artist within the system, so I don't have to pay artist anything. It goes automatically.
Direct. Wicked. Thank you for doing this, mate. This has been I'm so lovely to hear all this, what's been happening and all the growth and how much you've got out of it. So I'm really loving that. Thank you.
Thank you.